Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the Tasaca V58 electric dirt bike. I've looked through the internet, checked user impressions, specifications, and discussions among electric bike enthusiasts, and I'm going to help you decide whether this machine is actually worth buying or not. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. The first thing that immediately grabs attention is the power rating. A 5500W peak motor places the V58 far above traditional commuter e-bikes. This level of power is designed for riders who want serious acceleration and off-road performance rather than casual neighborhood rides. In practical use, that means strong hill climbing ability, quick launches, and enough power to handle demanding trails and rough terrain with confidence. What makes the setup even more impressive is the mid-drive motor configuration. Unlike hub motors that place power directly at the wheel, a mid-drive system delivers power through the drivetrain, helping improve weight distribution and overall handling characteristics. For off-road riding, this can result in better traction and a more balanced riding experience, especially when navigating uneven terrain. Torque is another area where the V58 stands out. With a claimed 276 Nm of torque, this bike is built to deliver strong pulling power. Whether you're climbing steep trails, accelerating out of corners, or tackling loose surfaces, torque is what gives an electric dirt bike that exciting and responsive feel. This is one of the key reasons performance-focused riders are attracted to machines like this. The top speed of up to 55 miles per hour is another headline feature. That's significantly faster than most traditional electric bicycles and places the V58 closer to lightweight electric motorcycles in terms of performance. For riders seeking adrenaline and excitement, this speed capability is undoubtedly appealing. However, it's also important to understand local regulations, as bikes with this level of performance may not be classified the same way as standard e-bikes in some areas. Battery capacity is equally important, and the 52V30Ah battery provides a substantial amount of energy storage. A larger battery not only helps extend riding range, but also supports sustained high-power performance. Actual range will vary depending on terrain, rider weight, speed, and riding style, but the battery specifications suggest that the V58 is designed for more than just short recreational rides. Braking performance is critical on any high-speed machine, and the inclusion of hydraulic disc brakes is a welcome feature. As electric bikes become faster and more powerful, quality braking systems become increasingly important. Hydraulic brakes generally provide stronger stopping power, better modulation, and improved confidence during aggressive riding compared to mechanical alternatives. The overall design clearly targets off-road enthusiasts. The frame, suspension setup, and riding position are intended to handle rough trails, dirt paths, and challenging terrain. Visually, it looks far more like a dirt bike than a traditional bicycle, which will appeal to riders who want a more aggressive and capable machine. Looking at feedback from riders interested in this category, one common theme is the growing popularity of high-performance electric dirt bikes. They offer instant torque, lower maintenance requirements compared to gas-powered alternatives, and a unique riding experience that combines elements of both motorcycles and e-bikes. The V58 appears to be aimed directly at that audience. Of course, there are some considerations before buying. With this level of power and speed, it's not a beginner-focused machine. Riders should be comfortable handling high-performance vehicles and understand the safety responsibilities that come with them. Weight, charging time, and local regulations are also factors worth researching before making a purchase. After going through the specifications, performance claims, and market positioning, my conclusion is pretty clear. The Tasaca V58 is designed for riders who want serious electric off-road performance without stepping into the price range of premium electric motorcycles. So should you buy it? If you're an experienced rider looking for a powerful electric dirt bike with strong acceleration, impressive torque, long battery capacity, and genuine off-road capability, then yes, this is absolutely worth considering. It offers specifications that are difficult to ignore for the price. However, if you're a beginner or simply looking for a casual recreational e-bike, this machine may be more performance than you actually need. Thanks for watching, and if you found this review helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more electric vehicle and technology reviews. I'll see you in the next one.